Did you know that if your Android is lost or stolen, there's a way you can keep others from wiping your data and using your device? In this video, we're going to show you how to set up Factory Reset Protection. Factory Reset Protection is built into most Samsung and other Android phones. To enable it, you'll need to add a Google account and set up a lock screen. To add a Google account to your Android phone, open Settings, Accounts or Passwords and Accounts, Add Account, and tap Google. Then follow the on-screen steps to add the account to the device. For Samsung devices, open Settings, Accounts and Backup, Manage Accounts, and tap Add Account. Tap Google and follow the on-screen steps. Next, set up your lock screen by going to Settings, Security, and tapping Screen Lock. Choose a screen lock option and follow the on-screen steps. For Samsung devices, go to Settings, Lock Screen, Screen Lock Type. Tap the screen lock option, then follow the instructions. Once that's done, this feature is turned on and you have to be signed in as the owner of a device to complete a factory reset. If you're planning on upgrading your phone, selling it, or sending it in for a repair or replacement, you'll need to disable Factory Reset Protection first. Here's how. To start, remove your Google account by going to Settings, Accounts or Passwords and Accounts. Select your Google account and then select Remove Account. Lastly, remove your lock screen by going to Settings, Security, Screen Lock. Select the None or Swipe options to remove the lock. On a Samsung phone, remove your lock screen by going to Settings, Lock Screen, Screen Lock Type, and select None or Swipe. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.